Working with professional services from a marketing perspective is an absolute dream. They make my life so much easier. They are all just such an incredibly passionate group of people. They are all so highly skilled. And I think this video is a really good chance to get to know some of the people that make the magic happen.
One of the things I enjoy the most about what we do is speaking to the customers and providing the outstanding level of customer service that we do.
I think the thing I enjoy the most is the team. We have such a fabulous team. They're so enthusiastic, they're so customer focused, and they just look after each other. I think that's the really key thing these days.
The technical aspect of the work is kind of right up my alley. It's the things that I like to do most, database development and working with technical folks on issues around their Dashworks implementations.
If anybody feels they need some help or assistance, there's always someone there. And I always know that if something needs to be done, work a weekend, work late, the team are always there to help.
There's an opportunity to work across lots of different organisations and teams, and you get to see the ways in which organisations are similar to each other and the ways in which they're different.
I think that while most of the implementations that we do can be broadly grouped into a small number of use cases like Windows servicing projects or a hardware refresh, the devil is in the detail of most projects, and really being able to understand the detail and the intricacies of any given transformation project is important to delivering a successful implementation.
So we have a lot of experience with the implementation specialists who design processes, who design projects, who design workflows for our customers, and they're able to bring that experience to the fore as well and work together as a team to make sure that overall the customer gets what they need.
It's the different sectors that I get to work with. I mean, predominantly I was in the public sector previously, but now I get to work with organisations in lots of different sectors. So that's something that's really new for me.
One of the things that the advice I would give is kind of the basics. So ensure you know exactly what you're trying to achieve for a start, and then map out the process fully so there's no surprises, and also kind of look at your data to ensure that it's in the best state it can be.
So what I would say is to just take a step back and think about what it is that you want to do. Within Dashworks, we use lots of terms like buckets and paths and workflow and scheduled date. But actually, before we start thinking about all of those things, take a step back and think about what it is that you want to achieve.
I suppose I would say, listen to us. We've been doing this for 10 years now, or more, probably more than 10 years. And we've come across all sorts of migrations, people doing Windows 10 migrations, mailbox migrations, mergers and acquisitions. We've done so much stuff, and we've got some really, really good best practice.